Hello friends, welcome to video tutorial of WedgeCommerce that helps to build your own e-commerce store native on Salesforce. In this video tutorial, I'll guide you how you can create blogs under content management system in WedgeCommerce. Currently, I'm in the blog section over here and I'll proceed to click on the plus icon in order to just create blog. So I'm on the blog detail page where I need to enter name, status, whether it is active or not active for the front end, and you need to make sure about the image dimension mentioned specifically for this blog for having proper resolution of the image for the front end, and the post description like your blog content. And also we have another tab as SEO in which you can enter the SEO details as per your choice. So let's proceed to just fill the details quickly. So as you can see that I have entered the blog name, marked it active for the front end, the image is uploaded, and the content is also mentioned in the description part. And also I have updated the SEO details as well. So now I'll quickly proceed further to save this blog. So now you can see that one blog is created and this blog is displayed on the front end. Like I'll just quickly go to my demo site over here, and under the blog section you will find all the blogs that you will create and it will be visible to your users. Over here you can see there we have few blogs mentioned down here, and which is showing the blog name with the date it is published and the author who has published this blog. So basically, and if you just click on the read more option, it will show the blog banner and the content that you have entered. So in this way the blogs would be published on the front end. That will be helpful for your customers, your prospect, in order to understand the processing of your store and about your products and information that you want to display and showcase at the front end. So thank you for watching this video, and you may go through the next video tutorial in order to understand the shipping and taxes functionality for this WedgeCommerce. Thank you for using WedgeCommerce.